Hello everyone, welcome to Achievers classes. Today we'll discuss some of the vocabulary words which will help you to be fluent. So if you want to speak very fluently, you should know some of the words which will help you to exempt the word very. Mostly we use whenever we talk or we speak or to converse with any people, we use commonly the word very. Like for example, he is very commonly asked that this is very beautiful. This is very beautiful, or the girl is very beautiful, or you can say mostly that the boy is very shy. So we are using the word very, so we can exempt this word and we can use the new word instead of it, which will show your high vocabulary skills. Okay, so let's start with first word, that is very cute. Mostly we say the child is very cute. So you can say it as the child or a small baby is very adorable. Okay, the word is adorable. The child is adorable. Okay, so next word is very perfect. Very perfect, you can use the word flawless. For example, you can say the presentation given by the man was very perfect. So you can use the word that this presentation was flawless. That presentation was flawless. He has given a flawless presentation. Clear? So in this way, this will help you to find out and interestingly to speak with the other people. Okay? So we'll take up the next word, that is very poor. Very poor. You can say the people live in slum areas are very poor. So you can use the word destitute. The people living in slum areas are destitute. They are destitutes. Okay? Next word is very scared. Very scared. You can say I oftenly get very scared when I watch horror movies. Or you can say it as I was petrified to see a horror movie. I was petrified when I watched a horror movie. Okay. So next word is very shy. You can say my brother is very shy to talk to other people. So you can tell is that my brother is timid to talk to other people. Okay. So these are the words which you can use instead of the word very. So the next word is very open. You can use the word transparent instead of very open. Or you can say as example, like nowadays the students or the you can say children are very open to their parents. So you can use the word transparent. Now our generation is transparent to their elder ones or to their parents. Okay. So next word is very shiny. So you can take an example like saying that her dress is very shiny or she is wearing a very shiny gown. So you can use the word gleaming. Her gown is gleaming. She is wearing a gleaming gown. Her dress is gleaming. So this means very shiny. Next word is very rich. So this man is very rich, or you can say my uncle is very rich. So you can use the word wealthy. He is very wealthy. That means he is very rich. So next word is very old. Very old, or you can use the word ancient. Ancient, for example, the coins in the museum are ancient, means they are very old. And last but not the least, that is very noisy. You can say the sound in the party is very noisy. So you can use the word the sound in the party is deafening. The sound is deafening. It means it's very noisy and it is very high. So these are the words which you can learn and you can use in your vocabulary, and you can exempt the word very, which will be very helpful to you. Okay. Video, please like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get all the informative videos further whenever I upload it. Thank you so much.